Welcome back to Wave of Wealth. I'm Nick, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make money with Airbnb affiliate marketing. 2024, guys, up to date, of course. It requires no investment for you, and of course, you can do it from anywhere in the world. So please stay tuned, pay attention, listen to me carefully. So let's get started. First thing you need to do, of course, is to go right here, guys. I mean, basically, Airbnb is everything that you need right now, guys. You need to make your account right here. As you can see, I've done it. It's super easy. Mail password. You can do it through your Facebook, to your Google account. I don't want to bore you with that, guys. I don't want to steal your time. So make your account. I'm pretty sure and I'm aware that you know how to do that. So yeah, check it out. I mean, sign in, guys, right here. And then what we need to do, what's the easiest way for you to gain some money, to earn some money through Airbnb, guys? Affiliate marketing. Let's just call it affiliate marketing, guys. There is no specific link or something. First it will be, guys, but yeah, as I said, listen to me. So first we can check it out, guys. We all know that you can travel for anywhere in the world, and you can see right here where search destination, guys. For example, we can check it out, Barcelona, beautiful city, guys. Leo Messi's, of course, previous town, but yeah, one of the most beautiful cities, guys, that I visited in my life, and definitely it's worth of your money, time, visiting, and everything. So I recommend to everyone, guys, to every single one of you, to definitely, if you haven't done that already, to visit Barcelona once in your life. So you can check it out. Here is a plenty of competition. There is a plenty of people, guys, out here, plenty of people who are giving you their apartments, guys, who are renting their apartments for example, right here, from $123 per night, 66, 76, and so on. You can see, scroll down below and see plenty of options for you. 15 pages, guys, right here. So yes, it's pretty tough for those who are not that known or something like that to attract plenty of customers. And of course, what you need to look for, guys, straight away is this: stars. Of course, guys, people's recensions, guys, and everything, people's opinions, grades, and so on, guys. So check it out right here, 430, 460, and everything. You can see even this one, room in Barcelona from $123 a night, brand new. That's right. So that's really important. And from this point on, you can actually decide what your tactics will be. Will you go with the good reviews, with the new ones, or so on? Because new apartments are more easily to accept your affiliate offer. And why am I saying your affiliate offer, guys? Because yes, you're gonna approach those people. So for example, we can go right here, guys, room in Barcelona, brand new. We can press on it and see what we have here. So down below we can scroll, guys, and see room in rental unit and everything, shared common spaces. This will everything be important for the further steps. So please, guys, listen to me right here, and you can check it out. Here's the owner, Pablo, right here, 6 reviews. That's brand new, basically. So here's the option, message host. What you want to do here, guys, is to represent him. What can you actually do for him? What is utility? What is the benefit that you are offering to him, what he has from you? Because we can see $100 per night is really magnificent, and we can check it out, guys, right here. For example, you can check the dates and everything, guys, for 7 nights, $700. So if you get just 10% of that, guys, for one apartment, I think that's a pretty decent deal. You do it with another one, with another one, with another one, guys, and then you gain yourself some pretty decent amount of money. How can you do it? First, as I said, guys, before you message to them, what you need to do is, of course, to conclude what your strategy will be. Where will you find your community, find your people who will actually see your posts about this? So for example, we can check it out, guys. The 12 best Airbnbs, for example, on timeout.com right here, amazing blog, guys. The 12 best Airbnbs in Barcelona. Barcelona's best Airbnbs right here, the deluxe penthouse near Sagrada Familia and everything. You can see the price when you press and see the price. Guess where will you go? Of course, Airbnb, guys. So this is a perfect affiliate. They will, of course, do this amazing blog, amazing text for you guys. And of course, this #1 spot is, in my opinion, always paid from my experience. So this apartment paid to this blog, guys, they have them to put it a #1 spot, and of course budget range, what is it like to stay here and everything, guys, to make this amazing text that will attract plenty of pairs of eyes and plenty of tourists to this specific apartment. So what we need to do here is, of course, guys, if you want to, for example, we mentioned before, to promote this new apartment, what you need to do is to make amazing blog about it. If you have aspiration towards writing, and you do not have to do that. Actually, what we need to do here, guys, is to go to ChatGPT. Once you've done that, that's it. You type in some prompts, guys, what you want ChatGPT to make the text about, guys, about this apartment. You paste the link and everything, and you're good. You can do it with 5 more apartments, but number one has to be this one, because that's the number one that people will see in their subconscious, guys. They will see this is the number one. It doesn't have to be the best one, but it's the number one next to it. So that will, of course, that's from psychological from psychological point of view, guys. It's of course the very best thing you can do. So as I said, you can do it through blog right here. You can message your host down below, guys, message him and offer to him 10% of the revenue, guys, for your community, basically for your affiliate, for your blogs. Or maybe even the best way, guys, that I've done before is this one right here, Barcelona Airbnb. Five top Barcelona, guys, Airbnbs right here, apartment tour and everything. You can check it out, Barcelona, where to stay. Plenty of people are doing this, and trust me, guys, all of these videos are affiliate ones. So you can press on either one of those, and I guarantee you will find links down below, guys, that will lead you to the apartment. So of course that's in a negotiation, that's a deal with the host to put its apartment for you to put apartment, guys, in your YouTube video, and then of course they will attract plenty of tourists to them. If they decline that, then you can slowly, of course, in a most gentle, perfect business way, explain to them that you will do that for other apartments, and they can lose even their existing customers. So as I said, what you need for this, guys, is good negotiation skills and of course persistency. So as I mentioned, that's of course that's 2 ways for you, guys. Of course you need to build some community, but the most important thing for you is good SEO, guys, and of course ChatGPT to write text for you, because trust me, it's the very best way. Also, what we can do else, maybe the underrated solution, but here it is, guys, TikTok. How can you go through masses, attract plenty of pairs of eyes, plenty of masses to your video, is of course short form TikTok video. 5 best Airbnbs right here, guys, in Barcelona. We can also put a hashtag, guys. We can set some tags, guys, and keywords for a luxury Airbnb in Barcelona. Depends on your apartment. I mean, this apartment is not that luxury, so we'll maybe go right here and paste maybe the cheapest one. So let's see what we will get. Right here, Barcelona Airbnb. I don't think it's will be this big at this price, guys. Of course, you can do it a review if you would like to travel or something like that. The best Airbnb in Barcelona, amazing views and everything, guys. Barcelona apartment tour, the best value, guys. You can type it in right here, Barcelona Airbnb, cheapest ones right here. Let's see what will pop up, guys, if there is a huge competition. Okay, best hostels, Barcelona, Spain, Airbnb and everything. And right here we can see some amazing luxury apartments though. So yes, maybe you do not want to go with that, because of course the more luxury apartment is, the less customer you will get, basically. So the cheapest one, let's just say that, guys, for example. Type it in, guys, and find some accommodation that goes really cheap, and then, as I said, guys, then make a video about it. Let ChatGPT do its magic, guys, and then, as I said, blog, YouTube video, or TikTok. Yes, I know someone will say in the comments, guys, X or some other Instagram pages, of course, are underrated. Yes, that's definitely underrated, guys, but you can do it yourself, because on X and Instagram, there is on Instagram here and there, but on X there is not that huge competition about it, guys, but there is no, of course, community, huge community will follow that up. So in my opinion, the very best way for you guys is to use TikTok, YouTube, or blogs. Write about it, approach the host, guys, set your price, not the price, percentage. You can also set your fixed price, guys. For example, I will ask $500, $1,000 for this blog, for this video, for 10 videos, for something like that. Do your own business module, guys. Think about it, create your strategy, and then go for it. That's all it matters, basically. Persistency, discipline, good negotiation skills, as I'm learning you guys. $0 investment. Attract some pairs of eyes, guys, some community, some clicks, and yes, you can earn some substantial amount of money. So give it a shot and write down in the comment section what do you think about it, guys, and did it work for you. Thanks for watching this video. Until the next time, goodbye.